Hey guys, it's Linda and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make it's like a different technique when it comes to eyebrows. It's not just the typical Instagram eyebrow when you just draw a line and then you draw a line. This is a technique where you actually draw hairs. Even if you have sparse eyebrows, you can still do this. You can still make your eyebrows look fuller without making them look painted. It's actually not that hard to make this, even if it looks a little bit tricky. You just have to practice, and practice makes perfect. But the thing is, these eyebrows are not meant to be perfect. I really hope you enjoy this video, and let's just start the tutorial. So first of all, before I start filling in the brows, I am going to use a clean spoolie just to comb the brows and to see in which direction the hair grows. This technique is really good if you have like a lot of brows, or if you have very sparse brows and want to make them look a little bit fuller. The things you need, either like a pencil, a pomade, or a powder. I'm gonna use a powder from the Infinity palette. I have almost black hair, so I'm gonna use a almost black shadow. I'm gonna use Fornex together with brush 333, which is an angled brush. And this one, I am gonna pinch together so it gets very, very thin, like this. And then I'm gonna paint small hairs. So like in the front, I'm gonna paint the hairs upwards. And then in the middle, I'm gonna paint them this direction, and here more downwards. And I'm also gonna fake some hairs so my brows gonna look fluffier. Sometimes you need a little help, you need a little more definition. So I have some water in here. And sometimes I may need some water just to define the hairs a little bit more. So I'm gonna start by filling in the most sparse areas, which is like here in the middle. I have a little hole there. So I'm basically drawing small hairs. Okay, so now I'm gonna dip it into the water a little bit. I'm gonna pinch the brush with my fingers like this, and then I'm gonna paint the hairs. Right here, I'm just gonna do like a line here to define the brow a little bit more. Now I'm gonna do the other brow, and then afterwards, of course, I am gonna apply some brow gel as well. This is a nice technique, and I really like in fact, the way that it looks like hairs. And I'm not gonna do the clearing up with any concealer underneath. I'm just gonna let it be a little bit bushy. I think it's nice to be able, even if you don't have natural, fluffy and full eyebrows, you can still make it look like you have hairs. Okay, the thing I'm gonna do now, I am going to finish everything with the brow gel, and then maybe if there's something I need to fill in afterwards, I'm gonna do that, but first brow gel. I am gonna use NYX Professional Makeup Brow Mascara. So with this technique, you get a softer but still bold, and you see here, you can see that I painted the straws. They look more like hair, more like natural eyebrows. I think it looks really nice, and it's fun to kind of change sometimes. Sometimes I want them more bold when I have more like a bold smoky eye, or sometimes I want them lighter. And that's the thing with makeup, that you can do whatever you want and you can just wash it off in the evening. Everybody should feel free to do whatever they want with makeup. So like what kind of brows do you prefer? Do you prefer natural eyebrows? Do you prefer bushy eyebrows? Do you prefer thin, bold, Instagram eyebrows? Or are you something in between? Or do you usually do different kind of eyebrows every day? Right now I prefer doing these on myself, but I may do something else tomorrow. I really hope you liked this short little video, and I'll see you very soon again. Take care, guys. Bye!